Chapter 4. Big, small, long and tall. Look around you. Everything has a size. Some things are big and some things are small. Let's explore sizes together. First, let's talk about big things. What is something big? Yes, an elephant is big. Can you say it with me? The elephant is big. Imagine a giant elephant walking in a field. It has big, floppy ears and a long trunk. The elephant makes a loud sound, trumpet. Can you make that sound too? Trumpet. Great job. Now, let's find something small.
The matchstick and the fire engine. Zoe was an ordinary 10-year-old girl with an extraordinary dream. Ever since her nursery school teacher had read a book about brave firefighters, Zoe had known exactly what she wanted to be when she grew up: a firefighter. Strong, bold, and always ready to help. She practiced with her garden hose, sprinted up and down the stairs like a pro, and wore red wellies every chance she got. One drizzly Tuesday